It is currently Saturday, July 25th, 2020. And for today's Tech in the News, we have Apple's Macs might get Face ID as potentially revealed by code in macOS Big Sur. So, something new that might be coming to Macs that a lot of people I know have probably been looking forward to who are Mac users is Face ID on their actual Macs. They've had it on their iPhones for the longest time, I think probably since the X, if I'm correct. I think that's when they started the Animoji thing too, was when that whole thing started. So, Jay Peters here from The Verge, another Verge article, 2 days in a row, covers that many iPhone and iPad models let you unlock your device with your face using Face ID. But on Mac, you still need to type in your password, set up your Apple Watch to auto-unlock your Mac, or depending on what model of Mac you have, use your fingerprint with Touch ID. But code reportedly discovered in the latest beta of macOS Big Sur. So it looks like the new macOS is going to be called Big Sur, different from the Catalina we have here, by 9to5Mac suggests that Face ID could be coming to Macs at some point in the future too. I think this is just something that would be expected regardless that Face ID would be coming to it. I know between Apple's sales strategy, they like to let other companies, go out on the way, try new things first, and then from their experience, either come in later with their own version of it or something like that, because we had Microsoft Surfaces, big thing on Face ID there was like you just have to give it a look and it'll unlock the computer. So I think what Apple did was they did a lot of, just sit back, let's just let other companies, either mess things up. It's the same thing with like folding phones, that kind of topic. I think Apple will take their time and see how other companies do. Same with like curve phones, just kind of wait, see how it goes, see how these companies do, and then if they do well or do well enough, Apple will come in with their own product, and then from there, just take out the market, because that's Apple's image that they have. And as I've always said, and I've heard others say, Apple products are more of jewelry versus functionality. So that's kind of what this article is basically talking. It's a pretty short article. It's not very long at all. Just talking about how Face Detect, Face ID would be coming to the new macOS Big Sur that should be coming out this fall. I think it will happen. Do I know if it's going to be this one? No. Will it? I don't think so. I don't think there's any flagship Mac models out there that have really taunted, oh, with this Mac you can do Face ID. I think you're going to have to look at what cameras each Mac has, because MacBooks and iMacs, they go back and each one has a different camera usually, per generation. So, do I think it'll happen the next one? I think it may for select models. I don't think it's going to be for every single one. Other than that, the real reason I think I chose this article was because I was more curious to see your opinion, see where you are on the whole Apple, their market strategy, how they implement new changes. What do you think of them implementing Face ID? They started out with the iPhone, now they're going, iPhone, iPad, now they're going to the iMac, MacBooks, stuff like that. So let me know what you guys think. But as always, thank you for watching and have a good one.